Welcome to our channel. My name is Kiri and I am the Nerdy Homemaker. Seriously. What makes me a nerd? Everything. From Star Trek to Star Wars, growing up, being spoon-fed all that stuff, to reading books, fantasy fiction books. Yes, I'm a Twilight nerd. To comic books and movies, Marvel comics, DC. Always been a big fan of Superman. He's the man. He is the Superman. I embrace computer games. Excuse me, I burped. I love to cook. I love to scrapbook. I love to draw when my hands don't hurt. Computer games. I love playing World of Warcraft with my kids. I do a lot of nerdy stuff. I remember when being a nerd was bad. When people called you a geek or a nerd, it was just like, yeah.
An insult. It
was an insult. There were movies made where like the nerds always triumphed, but they were still painted out to be these like, you know, barely tolerable people that just, they smelled bad. They had horrible hygiene and snot problems. Yes, one of them was called Booger. Now nerds rule the world. So I'm embracing my nerd and
the world. Nerd.
That's why I'm a nerd.
Hi, I'm Vivi. I like to consider myself a Netflix nerd, a social media nerd, I would say.
No, it's true. It applies. That applies to everyone in this house.
I'm a jock nerd. Know what I'm saying? I play sports and stuff. I'm the only
state champion.
Hence the shirt.
It says Arizona right on the top. Can't really.
Just like blur this out the whole time.
Pixelized chest.
Yeah.
We're not doing that.
We're just trying to like not show cleavage, okay? Okay. And I'm the only jock in the family. Oh wait, I have one more thing.
Go ahead.
This is my spirit animal.
Okay.
And that's what makes me a nerd.
Hi, my name is T-Bear. And what makes me a nerd is mostly this wonderful nerd right here.
I bring the nerd out in her.
Yeah. What makes me a nerd is I'm really good at art. And anything with like animation, anime, anything with that, I love it. I am also a gamer. I'm a very big gamer. We also have a Wii U upstairs that I mostly play on.
It's technically hers.
You say it's technically not mine.
No fighting in this video.
Too late.
I
said no fighting.
Nerdily love.
So what we do here at Nerdy Homemaker is we make soaps. Cold processed soap with the lye water and oils. They're really skin nourishing. They're really soft. They smell amazing. But the catch is that they are completely nerd themed. We have bars inspired by our favorite cartoon characters, our favorite literary characters, our favorite people. That's what this channel is about. Making soap and being a nerd.
Being a nerdy
My job here,
maker.
I'm the homemaker. I am the lead soap designer. I'm the mom. I'm the boss.
Yeah.
I make the majority of the soap. I'm the one who designs them, who comes up with colors, who handles all the chemicals. I am the lead soap maker.
I am the ultimate nerd. I'm the assistant designer. I help the most with the soaps. I come up with some of the color schemes, the names. Yeah, I'm an idea girl, I guess. I help with the logistics too. And I am the nuke girl.
She nukes the oils that need to be softened up.
Yeah, along with her.
Yes, these guys both are my apprentices. T-Bear Tessa is our art designer. She came up with our logo.
Tessa, get in the frame.
Tessa drew this. Isn't she amazing? It's so cute. She designed our logo. Say it.
I'm your art designer.
She is.
I came up with the idea of trying to help get this soap situation more organized and stuff. We will have monthly nerd themes. This month's nerd theme is Harry Potter. The videos that we're going to be uploading to this channel is us making the soap for that specific nerd theme for the month.
There will be randomly times where we will recreate soaps, but only the new soaps will be themed around the nerd theme. Like I may end up remaking a Marvel soap that's like really super popular just to put it up on the website for sale. The videos that will be uploaded will be only new soap ideas, whatever theme there is for that month.
Probably good to go.
Robbie! Okay, do it.
Robbie!
Robbie! Okay. Okay. So we do have several social media sites that will help keep you informed of everything that is going on, of all things nerdy. When we have a new theme of the month and we need to announce it, that will be on our social media pages. When we upload a new video of a new soap, that will be on our social media pages. When we have some kind of contest or anything like that, that will be on our social media pages. As well as when we have a new batch of soap or a new set of soaps going up available for sale on our website, we will make an announcement on those social media pages. We have an Instagram, we have a Facebook, I'm gonna make a Twitter, haven't done it yet, but when I do, all of those addresses will be in the description box where you can see them. And our website, which is basically it's still under construction. The plan is to have enough soap inventory ready to go, soaped and cured, which takes some time, by March 1st. That is our store launch date. And the address for the store and the website for Nerdy HomeMaker will be in the description box with our other social media.
Store?
It's an online store.
Oh.
Calm down.
That's the story with the social media and how to keep in contact with us and find out any announcements or anything like that. There is a news page on our Nerdy HomeMaker website where the store is going to be that will also have announcements and whatnot on it. We will link that all down below. It'll all be linked down below.
Just like Vian said, we'll have new design coming out each month based on our nerd theme of the month. If the time ever comes where we can't think of a new design for the nerd theme of the month, then we'll come to you guys. We'll have a contest. We will vote on it democratically. And the winner will be announced on our social medias and websites. Also, the winner will get a free bar of that soap.
So make sure you stay in tune with our social medias and the links will be down below. So we will be posting up videos of our designs and our ideas and the soaps that we make, be they triumphs or failures, whether they're winners or losers. Let me give you an example. Some of the ones that are going to be coming out for sale when our store launches on March 1st, 2019 are these ones. We've got our
Arabian Princess.
It's a tribute to Princess Jasmine, Disney Princess Jasmine. It's got, it smells like jasmine flowers, and it's got a little sweet smell to it.
What if they don't know
Smells so
jasmine
wonderful.
flowers
It's
smell
sparkly and gorgeous on the top. Look at that. Ooh, sparkle. And it's a great soap. This was a triumph. This is the Kia bar. It smells like vanilla because Vian's coach Kia, she wanted a vanilla soap and I hadn't made one yet. She asked me specifically to make a vanilla soap. So this is what we came up with. The problem is that it has so much vanillin in it that it discolored the bar to probably a dark brown. If I had just done the soap batter, it would have been a dark brown. I tried to make it blue and red and it just looks, yeah.
Brown.
So when we redo this one, which we will, a lot of people like vanilla. When we redo that one, we'll probably just embrace the brown. I might add some titanium dioxide, some white, and then maybe some different shades of browns and tans. So we're going to embrace the brown with this one. Lesson learned. Don't mess with vanillin. It's not your friend. This was Vianne's idea. She came up with the design and she decided on the fragrance oils. This is like a cross between a triumph and a failure. I have the titanium dioxide that I have that turned this part white. It is supposed to be water soluble and oil soluble. Normally I do it in sweet almond oil. I tried it in water for the first time and we ended up with glycerin rivers all through the white. It looks kind of cool though because it's It's called Glass Slipper. It's a Cinderella tribute bar, Disney Princess
Smells
again.
so
This is
good.
part of the Disney Princess line. It smells amazing.
Mine's
It's
good.
like flowery
And fruity.
and fruity. Oh, it's good. It's really
Oh my
good.
gosh, it smells so good.
But so that one's kind of like a triumph and a failure at the same time. Vivi designed that bar herself. She came up with the design idea. This bar was a full triumph. It turned out exactly how we planned. This one is called Wanda, and it is a tribute bar.
The Scarlet Witch from
Avengers.
From the Avengers, yeah. And this was Tessa's idea from the smell, which is also, this one's more floral than the Cinderella. There's no fruit notes in this one, but it smells really good, and it's got a beautiful black and silver and red swirl. But yeah, so this one was a triumph, and it's already good and hard. This one's probably almost done curing, but this will go up for sale, and this was a triumph. This one was a fail.
It was.
It was a fail. This was supposed to be
Tinkerbell.
a Tinkerbell tribute soap. See the colors, the greens, the blues, the yellows, the whites. I wanted to do a mini drop swirl. Something happened with this one. One of the fragrance oils that I used in the combination caused it to just accelerate so fast, and it got so thick there was no way I could do the drop swirl that I wanted. We ended up just blopping it in and doing a hanger swirl. But it turned out cool, but it still doesn't look like Tinkerbell because it just colored to kind of a...
And it also has
a muted
bit of
green.
air bubbles because it was.
It has a couple. Yeah, there's one down here because it was so thick.
There's a few in the front
Couple
that you're
little ones.
showing.
Yeah, that one right there, huh? This was a fail that we turned into a triumph in pure nerd style.
Yeah, good job.
It was supposed to be a Tinkerbell bar. So you can see it trying to be a Tinkerbell bar, but the colors are a little off because the soap batter was more yellow than I wanted it to be. It smells really good. It's like, I don't know. Apparently, our favorite scents are fruits and florals mixed together. Fruit florals. I mean, they come in different... They all smell, all the bars smell a little bit different, but there's definitely like fruit and flower notes. This has more of a green smell to it than like this one is more, this one's more flowery, this is more green, and this one is more fruity.
Yes.
So there are differences. Something in one of the fragrance oil combinations that I made for this bar caused it to not seize completely, but it got really, really thick. It accelerated trace really fast. And because it did that, I had to completely rethink the design. And we ended up doing a hanger swirl from layers. And when we cut it, it was so pretty that we couldn't just be like, oh, that was a failed scrapped bar. Let's think of something else. And we came up with Elven Queen because it made me think of Lothlorien and Galadriel, the Queen of Lothlorien. So that's why this one's from Lord of the Rings. Yes, another nerd genre. And look at how sparkly and pretty it is on top. Oh my gosh. Even this crappy camera on my laptop is catching those sparkles. Once every 20 bars and so, when we save up all of our beveling scraps and other random things that we end up with like a large bowl full of multicolored pieces. And we do what a lot of soap makers do. We made a Nerdfetti bar. This is Nerdfetti version 1.0. It's fun, right? Look at that thing.
It smells like lemon.
It's also...
Oh, it smells like lemons and fizzy. We made it. It was the first bar that we made
in 2019.
So we thought something kind of effervescent and
fizzy.
Fireworky for New Year's Eve.
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely got the confetti look. You can see all the different colors in there. It's amazing. It smells so... It's like lemony and creamy smelling. Not vanilla creamy, but creamy. And it's got, you can smell the fizz. It smells fizzy. I don't know how, I don't know how that happens, but it smells so good.
This is like...
And that one's good. That bar is also going to be available.
I want lemon bars.
Yes, that bar is also going to be available. Put it down before you inhale it. That one's also going to be available at our website launch on March 1st. This month's nerd theme is Harry Potter, like VM said. And we do have one Harry Potter bar already in the books, and I'm going to be uploading a video of that very soon. I was trying to make one. It was a sorting hat bar, and it did not work.
It wouldn't mix.
It seized up so fast. It literally became
mush.
A train wreck. Yeah. It may end up being something else Harry Potter themed. It smells very leathery.
And earthy.
Earthy, yeah. Leathery and earthy. It's an acquired smell. It's not my favorite. But I thought, what would the sorting hat smell like And this is what we came up with. But something, again, in the fragrance oils made it do this. I've never worked with these fragrance oils before. Probably never will again.
It turned into applesauce.
Oh, it was applesauce.
Literally.
In the thing. It was so nasty.
Yeah.
We made this like, what, how long ago? Like 3 or 4 hours ago?
Yes.
It's already like almost set up. You can see it. The silicone is just pulling away very easily. Like it's so hard already. So we may end up cutting that sooner than not. We're going to try to do another one because I had a certain design in mind for the, put it down. I had a certain design in mind for the sorting hat and I really wanted it to work. So I went through and searched for all of the fragrance oils that I could find that slowed trace down so I could do the design that I really wanted to do. So thank you for watching. Thank you for listening to what we do here at the Nerdy Homemaker and enjoying our soaps. Woo! And if you want to know more,
Like,
subscribe,
and don't forget to click the bell because that's how you find out what's coming up.
ding, ding, ding.
Bye,
Bye, nerds.
nerds.